20 to 40,000 dollars every month.
Kenyan YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers who are coming up, don't really focus on donations.
You guys want to support? In that case, also have a PayPal, guys.
Hello, my beautiful family. That who made that to my table again. Now I am marwa. Just yesterday I did film video. Then I said my video too long. I know they like my video too long. Yes, I know they like it because it is hard when some people to watch long video. Me itself, it would hard me talk of. You know, if you not be reactor, it hard you to watch that video. And my people, yesterday I say my brother, I am marwa. They ask for money, they ask for donation. When we stop today, that's no. My brother don't need them. I am marwa, don't need them at all. What he need, he just need his support. By supporting him, you can promote him in your channel, and you can super thanks him, and you can, you know, it all they talk and say he what they call he papers, he did there. You know, wire him money. Not be that one make me come out because one of his fighter, one of his supporter from Yabohanze or from Kenya, maybe she not be Yabohanze lady, maybe she's from Kenya. She said, make Kenyan YouTuber stop asking for money. Stop degrading them. No be me to come o. Una go hear her from her mouth. He said, me una stop to the, you know, calavante, to the degrade them. Say, they no need down. It's not that they degrade them. Sister, sorry, ma. Welcome to my table. I see say you they fight people. Now make me don't let tell you, ma. Welcome, my sister. Okay, you know, say we be one. We be sister. We be Africa. We need one another to grow, and we need to correct ourselves. Now, your word, I want to collect your gram box. Now, I want to use your word. Say talk to this our brother. I am marwa. For me, not be say I hate I am marwa. They talk about him. I am marwa. Not big person. Sweet Ajele. Sweet Ajele. Somebody talk about her. She come out on her platform and she give that person shout out. And she address that person in a good way, okay? If your brother, I am marwa, he can ask for donation. You, this my sister. What you can't think about those who they look, admire I am marwa. If I am marwa can open his mouth, ask, say, please, my people, what of people they never have crossed the border between Yambohanze to the next village? What do you expect? Because now what is their master? They feed their about. I'm sorry. I'm using your word as a Kenyan lady, as a defender of I am marwa. Now wait till you talk. I go bring that word come now. I go bring I am marwa word come now. So that we go use and compare. Let's go before my video too long.
Yeah, and this is to our Kenyan YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers who are coming up. Don't really focus on donations. Don't try to pick the easy way out, you know. Stop choosing the easy way out so that you may do something or go against your own people or even go against just something just to get the easy way out. The ones who I'm talking about those people who know exactly what YouTube is around Nyabohanse and anyone, just generally in Kenya, mostly. I want to talk about my people. Let's not just try to get the easy way out. You know, it's easy, it's sweet. Yes, you will get the house, you'll get you'll get the money, you'll get whatever you want to get. But then now, I don't know, that comes so fast and it won't last for long, you know. Look at Maro, look at David Jr. I'm with different stories each and every day. I know it looks nice, but try and just work your way up. You'll even feel better about yourself when you work your way up, you know. You'll feel better, you know. That's what I want. In case whatever is being said out there is true. Look at Mara, for example, guys. Look at David Jr., for example, guys. Look at Ding Wango, for example. Why can they be an example? They didn't start their channels with donations. They started their channels working hard. Until now, they've reached a level whereby guys just contribute because they have appreciated. They're appreciating what they've done throughout the years, you know. So don't expect to start a YouTube channel today and then you start. You imagine you start making money, you know. These things can go away tomorrow. And the spirit we have in Kenya is that hard work, you know. Even that guy Max One, he knows he's an employee of the county government. He is an employee.
My sister, it's for you to advise your brother, your role model. I am marwa. You have good advice for this video. Then let's watch your brother. I am marwa. I watched him from King Trick Travel, something like that. Yes, I watched that video from there because I not watch her for I am marwa. Their video too the long. Then anyone when I say okay, then I grab it there. You know, we use their word against them. Me, I'm not here to bring anybody down. When I download my own, then I will give her my little advice as a sister or as anyone that take me from. Let's hear.
Next country is coming, but I want to be in this country at least for some time. I want to go around. I want to go to, as already told you, Antarctica, but it's so expensive, guys. Like the least amount you could pay is $6,000 US. And I really want to go to Antarctica. So I don't know, man. And on average, it's 10,000 US. 10,000 US in Kenyan shillings, that is 1.3 million US Kenyan shillings to just go for a 10-day trip. So I don't know if I should go to Antarctica or not, you know. I really wanted to go to Antarctica, guys. I want to go to Antarctica, but the start price is $6,000, guys. Antarctica, the start price is $6,000. Guys, please tell me in the comments below if it's worth it to visit Antarctica for $6,000. That's the cheapest, but on average, it's 10,000 US dollars to 15,000 on average US dollars. I really want to go to Antarctica because from Argentina, that's the last place you can actually cross to Antarctica. So let me know if you guys want to support. In that case, also have a PayPal, guys. If you want to PayPal me in the link here, PayPal. Traveling is very expensive. If it wasn't expensive, try it and see. Traveling is very expensive. That's why sometimes you have to come here and say, guys, if you want to support us, support. It's different when making videos from the house and when making videos while traveling. You have to pay your water, food, place you're staying, everything, taxi. Your mom is not around, so there's no day you can say, oh, let me go to my mama's place and eat some food. No, everything you have to pay. And that's my lifestyle for the last 7 years. So
My sister, I hope you watch this video. Hey, Nigeria. No, this one is not Nigeria. Kaya jaga jaga. Hey, bohanze scatter scatter. My sister, I hope you hear from your brother, your millionaire brother. Your millionaire brother, I am Marwa. He chose that niche. I choose the niche of, reacting, or I have a family channel. I make my daughter hair, I cook, I do vlog, I do a lot, except family TV. Go and check me out there. You hear from your brother. You just preach now, say, can't you look at I am Marwa, David Jr., Andy Wango, if they can make it, you can make it, stop asking for donation. But the people, the person who is your role model, he's asking for donation. He's asking for donation. Abi, you think I am Marwa, he's just doing this vlog for sweet, or he's just doing this vlog for, I don't know how to put it. I am Marwa, he's making big money. You don't know. I am Marwa, he opened his revenue to some America people. They say, you can chat more than me, who is doing everyday work, going to everyday work. I wake up in the morning before we finish in the evening. And me, I'm not humbling you in my house. That is where jealous and heaviness come from. You are making this kind of money. Then me that is just receiving salary, monthly salary. I will buy you everything. I will take you out. Then they start heavy I am Marwa. The person who can make how many thousand? Do you know how much our brother Wodemaya, he said he make in a month?
That is worth more than having a YouTube platform. Being an engineer or being a doctor, mention, right? But I'm not going to advise you to quit your job and then focus on YouTube. You can only focus on YouTube when you know that, okay, at least I'm making something which will sustain me in a month. Then you put all the energy that you put at the 9 to 5 on your YouTube channel, and believe me, you'll see more growth and more money on the platform. The best niche I've ever had was interviewing entrepreneurs. And I got this niche in 2020 during previous content. 2, my channel was growing in a way that I've never seen before. When I started my entrepreneurship series, I had 300,000 subscribers. By December, I started in May. By December, I had 600,000 following. That's like double of my subscribers in less than 6 months. I want to encourage content creators. So as I sit here with 1 million subscribers, I'll go $20,000 to $40,000 every month. $20,000 to $40,000 every month.
Here I try to. They are the same. They are doing the same niche. Wodemaya. Do you ever hear Wodemaya come out on this street asking people for donation for him because he want to travel? Later, you guys will say people is bringing I am Marwa. He bring himself down. That is why I said, tell your brother, stop acting funny. I am Marwa is acting funny. Like me now, if I don't have money, I will not go and put my hand in that thing that I know I can't afford. Then I'll be asking you guys, please donate for me. Please, I want to travel to where? Maybe Sweden or maybe America. In fact, I love to be in America. You guys should try donate for me. Do you guys send me? It's what, as you still talk, one of your real fighter. It's what we, the content creator, choose to show you guys. That is what you guys watch. It's not what you guys want us to show. We show what we want. And we talk what we want people to hear. If we don't like that part, except you make a mistake, we edit it out of our video. We are not in live stream. We make a video and we edit it. First of all, advise your brother, I am marwa. If I am marwa can ask for donation, who is those people who live in village? Why they can't ask for donation? If they see they can make it through there. For me, I don't like when people bring your own version out. And I love this your version you bring out about telling your brothers, your sister that you stop bringing Kenyan down, begging for money. There is land you can farm. You can be farm, you can still be doing your content. Not only Kenya, they are in these streets. Not only Yambohanze, they are in these streets. A lot of Africa, they are in these streets. There is Ghana, there is Nigeria, there is a lot of people on this YouTube street. A big YouTuber, I am Marwa, who a lot of people look onto. Mostly the Yambohanze guys. He will stay on the camera asking people to donate for him. Later you will say because he's travel. If he's travel and so what? YouTube pay him. You watch him, I watch him. I have donate for him. Because I give you view. I give him view. That view, YouTube will pay him. And this their niche is the highest niche. YouTube pay them well. If a Wodemaya can open his mind, say he make a $40,000 every month. How much do you think I am Marwa is making? Maybe I am Marwa is making like $20. Did you ever see $20 since you was born till now? Have you ever seen $20 in your eyes? But your brother who is still asking people to donate for him, he's making $20 or $15, but he's still asking the people who is going to work every day that maybe at the end, at the end of the month, they will pay them $2,000, $1,005, some $1,000, and he's still taking from them. In fact, end of the month, this your brother will catch out less than 15K or 10,000K or $20,000. He's still asking. Talk about those people who live in village. They don't know about monthly salary. They don't have job. They don't have nothing. They just ask for assistance. Subscribe to me. Watch my video. You start attacking them. They should stop degrading. They should stop. First of all, advise your brother, I am Marwa. He should stop bringing himself down. He should stop acting funny. If I don't have anything, my little things I have, I'm contented with it. If it come out from your mind to support me, kudos. That is why there is super chats, there is super thanks, there is super sticker also. People super chat with their own mind, not taxi people. You can advertise your channel by telling your audience you can sympathize me, you can super chat me, you can do like this, you know. Not telling people I love to travel this place. You guys need to donate for me. My papers is there because the money. Did anybody ask I am Marwa to choose this niche? He can choose this our niche. He can choose vlog around Kenya. If he choose vlog around Kenya, do you think the CPM YouTube will give the money YouTube will pay him when he travel out of his country? You think the same money YouTube will pay him around of a country? No. No. Tell your brother. He should stand as a good example. All Kenyan coming YouTuber, they are looking onto him. They see he built a house for his parents. It's through YouTube. How our brother made this? He made it through people donation. He made it through his revenue. He made it different way, but all the different way is YouTube. Why are we bashing of some people who try to still, ask? Because that is what their teacher teach them. Me personally, I just start following I am Marwa not too long. I know him to ask. He always asks. There is one time when he traveled. Our brother, he said he don't have money. But he have money to import gear all the way from Europe to America. But he don't have money. He don't have money to beautify himself, but he have money to give out. Just because of selfish interest. Ask me about that selfish interest. If you drop it in the comment section, I will defend that selfish interest for you. Why I say your brother, I am Marwa, he's doing things because of selfish interest. I'm not here to bunch on him, okay? The way you guys have been, I don't like it. When you see the black, say this is black. I think I play your brother's voice for you, and I play your own voice for you. When you are telling people should stop. You should stop begging. First of all, advise your rich brother, I am Marwa. Because I am Marwa is rich. He and Wodemaya, they are almost, though Wodemaya subscriber is huge, more than his subscriber, but they are almost, they do the same niche. Or about this, my brother, I always do his video. I don't know why I don't publish it. I will try to do that video again now. This our brother, Tawo, Tayo or Tayo. He do the same niche too. This our cute guy, our cute brother. He travel all over the world too. But he never asked for anybody donation. Why only I and Marwa always ask? Can't you ask yourself? As far I and Marwa can ask, then all coming YouTuber in Yambohanse, then we ask because they want to build that mansion I and Marwa is building. They want to build that mansion I and Marwa built for his parents. They want to live that life I and Marwa is living. Then what I and Marwa is doing is asking people, is begging people online. He always do it. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Not I hate my brother, I am Marwa. He's not my biological brother, but in Christian side, in God's side, in God's way, he's my brother. Whether you guys like it or not, he's my brother. But when you see the truth, say it. He's our African brother. If anything happen now, in where he is now, Argentina, they will say it's Africa. Then when we see our brother is doing something that is not nice, why can't we correct him with love? A lot of youth, they are looking out to him. Like someone like you now, you are looking out to Ayamawa and Diwango. I believe the step that they took, that is the same step you took. Why can't you advise him to stop what he's doing? My brother, Ayamawa, don't worry. People watching your video, they have donated huge to you. Just know that. If I'm having that view that you are having, I don't think I will be. I will be on top. As far as we watch your video, appreciate us. We have donated massive to that your channel. It doesn't mean we give you our kudi. If it come out from my mind to give you my kudi, there is no problem. But stop taxing people just because you want to show one place, one particular country. You're asking people to donate. Before you are late, I think you prepare yourself because you know you are embarked on journey. I'm not here for hate, okay? My beautiful people, I'm sorry if this my video offend anybody. I'm so sorry. But when you see the truth, try to say the truth. My video is too long now. Let me end it here. Let me break David Jr. and his sister. I watched that video and I see something inside. Let's deliberate on that. Okay? See, I meet you in my next video. I remain Naija Daughter TV. If you follow this my channel, I stop it to the fast. Okay, I'm sorry. I always try to fast forward the video so that maybe the minutes not too long. That's fine. I put it 20 minutes if I'm editing. Maybe I'll start putting it in 10 minutes. Okay? Let's go straight to
nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult.